Top tier divas move like this, yeah, 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 yeah. We move like this, All the top tier divas move like this, yeah, 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 yeah. We move like this, you know it, yeah, 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 yeah. Keys to the whip, yeah, I bought my own ride. No one beside me, just my ego and pride. Don't need a cosign, I approve my own checks. They sending me DMs, leaving my life for wreck. Got my own vision, it's a master plan. You see, he wanna reply, but he's just a wannabe. I make the rules, yeah, I don't follow the guy. Cause I'm the main event, pushing all them aside. Cause all the top tier divas move like this. Yeah, we move like this. That's right. All the top tier divas move like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, we move like this. Let's go. Walk in the function and the whole vibe shifts. They all go silent talking about my new gifts. Hurt what they whisper, but I don't feel the heat. I'm playing Monopoly on the real life street. They screenshot my post trying to steal the aesthetic, but my kind of magic, yeah, is way too pathetic. Built my own castle.